Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all some recent makes, as well as some things that I have recently purchased. This is going to be my first time sharing with you all some things that I actually purchased from the store, ready to wear. For me, sewing has never been my goal to replace my whole wardrobe with handmade garments. I just wanted to, sew things that I like, patterns that I like and see, use fabrics that I love, but I also shop too, okay? If I can go out to the store and find something maybe in a fabric that I love, or if it's with some good quality fabric and sewn really well and fits me really nicely, then I'm just gonna buy it. And so in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you all a few things that I recently purchased and made. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. The first dress I'm going to share with you all is this dress right here, and this is something that I recently made. This is a one-shoulder knit dress. I'm going to pop up pictures here so you all can see, and I'll also put like the pattern on the screen as well, because I don't remember all the pattern numbers and names off the top of my head, and also in the description box, so check there. But this is a one-shoulder knit dress. This is an exclusive PDF pattern in the Sew It Academy, and this is just a fantastic easy dress that you can throw on for summer. Like I said, it is out of knit, and I used this knit fabric from Melanated Fabrics. It's a double brush knit. I believe it's 97% poly, 3% spandex, so it has really nice stretch and recovery. It doesn't just stretch and stay, it does snap back. So that's important in our knit dresses. And I love this print. I thought it was super cute. The pattern is just 4 pieces: the front, the back, and you have your armband and the neckband. Sews up super easy. You can literally just make this dress maybe in under an hour. And I just love it. Like I said, it is an exclusive pattern in the Sew It Academy. So if you are a Sew It Academy student, you can go ahead and download this and make it. If you're not, then I have a link for you below that you can sign up for a free trial. See if you want to learn how to sew at home. You can learn at your own pace. And if you do decide to continue the trial, then you can see all the lessons. I think for the trial, you only have like 4 or 5 lessons that you can kind of look at. But if you decide to continue, then you can get all of them. And it's over 70 sewing classes. And I also teach some of the classes, like this dress. So yeah, I love this dress. Like I said, it came together super easy. And I'm going to be wearing this a lot for summer. So this is the first one here. Let's go ahead to the second one. Okay, so that dress I made for last month's Sew It Academy course. These pants, though, are new Sew It Academy, and I absolutely love them. These are some baggy, loose fit, pleated front pants with elastic back in the waistband. Comfort, okay? I made this using 100% linen, also from Melanated Fabrics. And I just love these pants. You have some inseam pockets here along the side. Always love a good pocket. Like I said, it is an elastic back waistband on these pants. So the front is a nice flat waistband. In the back, you have the elastic for some comfort. It is a front fly zipper, button closure, and these are big. Like the legs on these are wide. You are going to be sweeping well, you won't be sweeping the ground, but it's a nice wide leg. So if that is your vibe, which I really do think for spring and summer, the whole wide leg trousers and pants, I've been seeing them on a lot of websites like Old Navy and Target. So if you just want to make your own, Sew It Academy has a pattern for you, and that was May. It was May. Okay, so the dress was April. The pants was May Sew It Academy course. June is not up yet. But yeah, I really do love these. They sewed up really nice, really easy. I'm walking you step by step through making your own. And yeah, I could see myself making these in a couple other fabrics. Like I said, I think this nice wide leg is great. They're comfortable. Elastic in the back, that's always a win. So yeah, this is the second thing that I have recently made. Okay, moving on to the third thing that I have recently made, and these are some men's shorts. I made these using McCalls 8393. This is view B, and I did this for a sew along. There is a QR code on the front of that pattern. So if you scan the pattern, it will take you to McCalls YouTube channel, and you'll see the sew along that I made for these. So these are a men's pattern. Again, it's McCalls 8393. This is View B. And these are just some men's shorts. You can always lengthen them to make some pants. And it's elastic at the waist. They have welt pockets in the back, and they also have patch pockets with the flap along the side. So these are really easy to whip up. I think these would be great for, honestly, year round, depending on the type of fabric that you choose to make it in. I made these using a chambray from Melanated Fabrics. And yeah, I filmed the sew along for these. The sew along is on the McCalls channel. I'm also going to put it here on mine, but if you want to go ahead and watch it now, you can go check it out on McCalls' YouTube channel. But yeah, these are great. Our oldest son, Jay Sean, he kind of modeled these for me. I could not go past the waist. He doesn't want to be on like camera and social media, which is fine. I was just grateful that he slipped them on for me. He had on like, I don't know why children need the undergarments and like 18 basketball shorts up under their clothes. Beyond me. But anyway, I was really happy that he just slipped these on so I could get photos. But yeah, these are McCalls 8393. The sew along for these are up now if you want to make them. Okay, the next thing that I have recently made, or I say recently photographed, this is kind of an old make, including the dress that I'm going to show you next. I made it a while ago, I think maybe like the top of the year, but I had never photographed it. It just kind of sat on my clothing rack, but I finally photographed it. And so I have this top here that I just love. I love this top. It has elastic casing up here along the shoulder. It's a square neck. I love a square neck. The back of it was supposed to be an exposed zipper, but I did an invisible zipper because, I mean, it fits really nicely. I could just kind of slip it on with or without unzipping it. It does have a little ruffle here at the bottom. And yeah, it has an elastic casing here along the sleeve. I love this top. I think it's super cute. And yeah, you can always like lengthen this too to make it into a dress, which it is a dress view on the McCalls pattern. It is a McCalls dress, but I didn't do the dress view. I originally wanted to, but it had like a detailing going across the bodice, and I knew I was gonna have to kind of tack that down to make it look nicely, because originally I put the overlay on it and it just dropped. I was like, yeah, I don't have time to like do all of the tacking so it looks nice. So I just left the overlay off, kept it nice and clean, and I love the way it turned out. This is 100% rayon fabric that I use from Melanated Fabrics, and yeah, I love this top. Super cute, perfect for spring and summer. So yeah, this is this top here, and like I said, I've made it a while ago, but I just recently photographed it. So let's go ahead and go to the next thing that I've recently made. I'm sure you all have seen this dress on my dress form, on my clothing rack. I finally photographed it. I absolutely love this. This is Simplicity 9702. This dress has a lot of gathers, okay? If you plan to make it, it has a lot of gathers. It does have side seam pockets, so that is a win. I love this little sleeve here. I think it's so cute. It does have like an elastic casing kind of toward the bottom of the sleeve, but then it has like a little, you know, the narrow hem. This is a really low, deep V. I was a little like, once I tried it on, I was like, oh man. I think that's also kind of why it took me forever to photograph it, because when I originally tried it on, I was like, it's kind of low for me. But I tried it on again. I was like, okay, it's not too bad. It's okay. But if you don't want it that low with the V, definitely take that into consideration so you can kind of raise it up a little bit. But I love this. Love this. The fabric again is from Melanated Fabrics. It is 100% rayon, and I love it. It's flowy, it's a maxi, it's gathers, it's pockets, it's giving spring, summer, and I love it. I don't know if I will make it again, only because it has so many gathers. I think I actually use yarn to help me gather it up, because I realized that when I am gathering a lot of pieces of fabric like this, and I'm just using thread, I'm wasting the thread. Like that's 2 rows of gathering stitches, and it's long. And then you pull it out and I'm like, it's a lot of thread. So if I'm gathering long things like this on a maxi, I've started to use yarn, and you could just always reuse the yarn. So that's what I like to do, and that's definitely what I did for this dress. But I just love it. I love this dress. I love it. I will say I don't know what size I made. I'll have to take a look at the pattern, but I definitely probably could have went up a size in the bust area. I did feel like it was pulling a little bit. So keep that in mind too. You may need to do a full bust adjustment, or either just go up maybe a size, because I know I cut my right size, but it was still kind of tight, so I probably could have did a full bust adjustment. But anyway, I love the dress, very happy with it. So now that is everything that I have recently made. Let me show you all the things that I have recently purchased. The first thing that I have recently purchased is this dress here that I'm wearing. I love it. I purchased this dress from H&M, and I purchased it to wear to our niece's graduation. So this is a dress that I wore to the graduation. I put it on with some wedges, and I'll try to insert a photo here if I can find one. But I put it on with some wedges, and it was really cute. It was really windy that day, so I had to hold the dress down. But overall, I love it. It is raglan sleeve here. You have the elastic casing at the bottom of the sleeve. This V-neck here with this cut is really popular right now. It's pretty much like this purple dress, similar to it. But I love that. The gathers here is short. It comes a little bit above the knee. Only thing that's missing is pockets. If they would have put pockets in this, it would have been a winner. But I'm okay. I'm okay. Almost bought another dress just so I could cut out pockets and install them into the dress, but it's okay. It's okay. But I really do love it. It's an easy dress. I know there's a pattern available somewhere, and I could have whipped this up, but I really love the fabric. That's what stuck out to me. And like I said, I don't sew everything. I don't want to sew everything. If I see something I like, if it fits, if it's good quality, if I love the fabric, and if it's stitched nicely, I'm gonna get it. So recently got this here from H&M. I loved it so much. I got it also in this orange and kind of cream design here. Again, these are just quick dresses that I can slip on, either wear around the house or wear out to run a quick errand. If I wear it out and it's windy, I'll probably put like shorts up under it. But overall, I really love these dresses. Super quick, easy to pop on. And these were $24, and I purchased a size extra large in these dresses. So I'm really happy with these. The next thing that I recently purchased is from Target, and I purchased this dress here. Clearly I'm on a V-neck little trend here. But this dress here is out of satin, or either crepe back satin. Fabric. I love it. I actually purchased this dress as a backup to wear to Mimi's daughter wedding, because I was unsure. I was actually sewing the dress that I wore to the wedding the day of the wedding, and I was like, babe, I need a backup dress. So we went to Target. I saw this. Jerome said he liked it, so I went ahead and grabbed this. I grabbed another one too. She's a little fitted. Jerome picked that one out, but I'm not gonna show y'all that. I'm not gonna put that on because she's showing all the curves, but Jerome liked it, so I grabbed it. I figured we could wear that out like a date night or something. But I love this one. They have it in a couple other colors. I thought about getting it in black, but I mean, I can make these dresses. But again, I was in the store, I saw them, I liked them. They do have some side splits here. Do they have darts? They don't have darts, but this bodice, the front portion is lined. And I got this in an extra large. So yeah, I really like this dress, and I may go back and get the black. We'll see. We will see, I might. As far as those two bags and those wedges, as well as the flats are old, but the wedges in the two bags are recent purchases also from Target. So if y'all are interested, I have links for you all below. That is all for the video, and I really do hope that you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them down for me below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you do not miss when the next video goes live. And if you all are interested in seeing more of the things that I purchase, kind of mixed in with things that I make, let me know. I'll be sure to add that in an upcoming video. All right, y'all. Blessings, everyone. Bye.